Hello YouTube, it's we here again, Morris and Bob from Morris Mini Motors. Today we have a Saito FA-182 twin. This one will be converted to CDI Spark, but we're still running on 22-1 petrol mix. We have a custom exhaust twin to one that we've been developing. Engine sounds really nice on this, and as you could see, to make one nice outlet, enhance the beautiful sound of the Saito. So we done the timing setup on this, regular stuff with RCXL unit, 30 degrees before TDC. RCXL twin unit there, fuel mix 20-1. We could actually do with a top up. We swapped our batteries out, running 7.4. We're gonna give it a start up now and show you how it sounds. Power on. Gonna try to do it all at once. So as you could see, engine starts nice and easy. So this is one of the first exhausts we produce so far. This exhaust will be available quite soon. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, we're running the men's 17-8 wooden prop. That's pretty much it for the Saito FA-182 twin. Okay, cheers, bye.